Why do all web apps look the same? Because we as web designers are lazy and unoriginal. We see high gloss design from Apple and to a lesser extent Google, and we want that for ourselves. But we don't have armies of graphic and user experience designers on staff, so our work inevitably ends up looking like a cheap copy. Or if we're clever, we knock off a lesser known brand like Linear, Notion, or Figma. The results are still not quite as good as they could be, but the contrast between our attainable design and Linear's S tier design is a little less stark. One solution is to look backwards, way back. Look back to the 70s and 80s, when computers were mostly text based and computer interfaces were inspired by print design. Print design has been around a lot longer than web and app design. Print design is an endless source of inspiration. The trick is making print design work for user interactions because users have all been trained to expect big blue and gray buttons to click, and print design solves none of that. So at some level, you'll end up borrowing from Apple, Google, Linear, and Figma. But please, please, please put your own spin on it. There's no universal definition of good, but everyone knows who you've copied. So stop trying to be good, don't follow the latest fashion, but instead pull inspiration from all over the visual art world, and your web design will be more surprising and original. And please, for the love of all that is holy, stop designing with Bootstrap, Tailwind, and Material Design defaults. Start from scratch, my dudes. You'll thank me when you close your $10 million seed round.